Do you ever wonder what truly sets the rich apart from the rest of us in how they think and act? What makes them so successful? Well, it all comes down to their mindset, their way of thinking and habits we can all implement. The millionaire mindset is a unique mindset that separates the rich from the poor. It's not about luck or inheritance, but about a set of beliefs and behaviors that pave the way to success. Today, I am sharing 5 powerful mindset secrets used by the wealthy to achieve financial freedom. Model these in your own life and it unlocks next-level results. Rich people driven by ambition and determination. They firmly believe in their capacity to achieve success. This mindset drives them to make strategic decisions, take calculated risks, and persistently work toward their goals. However, it's essential to recognize that success is not only about individual abilities. Hard work, opportunities, and external factors also play vital roles. In real life, where dreams meet reality, whether rich or not, we all pursue our own unique version of success. The great news is, you don't need to be rich already to tap into this. Start where you are. Small gains build daily. Consistency and focus pays off. I believe that if I can transform my financial path using these principles, you can absolutely do the same. So get ready to break through to your inner millionaire. Abundance awaits. Let's go claim it. Kicking off the list. Secret number 1, success mindset. Success is not limited to a selected few, it's within reach for everyone. Here's the secret recipe. Believe in yourself. Rich people have an unwavering belief in their ability to achieve success. Dream big. Imagine your goals vividly. What does success look like for you? Dream big, and let your aspirations guide you. Visualize success. Close your eyes and imagine achieving your goals. Feel the excitement, taste the victory. Visualization fuels motivation. Break it down. Big goals can overwhelm. Divide them into smaller tasks. Each small win boosts motivation. Celebrate progress. Celebrate even the tiniest victories. Did you finish a chapter? High-five yourself. Learning from mistakes. Instead of feeling defeated by a failed project, the rich sees it as an opportunity to learn and improve. They analyze what went wrong, adjust their approach, and try again. Embracing challenges. When faced with a difficult task, they don't shy away. Instead, they see challenges as chances to stretch their abilities and develop new skills. Seeking feedback. Rather than fearing criticism, they actively seek feedback. Constructive input helps them grow and refine their work. Gratitude. Even on tough days, the rich focus on what's going well. They appreciate small victories, a sunny morning, or a delicious cup of coffee. Optimism. When faced with setbacks, they maintain hope. Instead of dwelling on failures, they look for solutions and believe things will improve. Resilience. A positive mindset helps them bounce back from adversity. They see setbacks as temporary and keep moving forward. Adaptability. In a rapidly changing world, they embrace change. Whether it's learning new technology or adjusting business strategies, they stay flexible. Risk-taking. Rather than fearing failure, they view risks as opportunities. They're willing to invest time, money, and effort into ventures, knowing that some may not succeed. Their curiosity drives them to explore new ideas and create value. Seeing obstacles as stepping stones. Instead of feeling overwhelmed by obstacles, the rich see them as necessary steps toward growth. Turning problems into solutions. Rather than complaining about problems, they actively seek solutions. They ask, how can we make this better? And take action. Create a vision board. Stick pictures, quotes, and reminders of your goals on a board. Morning rituals. Start your day with positive affirmations. I've got this. Repeat it like a mantra. Remember, success isn't just about wealth. It's about fulfillment, growth, and making a positive impact. Moving on. Secret number 2, seeing money as a tool, not the end goal. The wealthy view money as a means to gain more time, freedom, security and options to make a difference, not the ultimate endpoint itself. Money without purpose often leads to emptiness. Keep the big picture in mind. Use money intentionally to achieve your goals, whether it's education, experiences, or supporting loved ones. Instead of hoarding money, invest it strategically. Grow your wealth by putting it to work, whether in stocks, real estate, or your own education. Use it to help others, support causes, and create positive impact. Remember, money is a tool in your life toolbox. Use it wisely, and it can build bridges to your dreams. Alright, which mindset shift resonates most with you? Let me know in comments, and if you found this helpful, consider liking. Moving on. Secret number 3. Valuing time over money. Millionaires know time is far more finite than money, so they spend it extremely deliberately. They outsource what they don't excel at to focus on high-value activities with the best ROI of their irreplaceable time. Time mastery enables money mastery. Moments matter. Time is finite. Cherish moments with loved ones, pursue passions, and create memories. Money can't buy back lost time. Work-life balance. Prioritize experiences over excessive work. A sunset walk or laughter with friends, those are true riches. Invest in learning. Spend time learning, growing, and expanding your horizons. Knowledge compounds like interest. Quality relationships. Invest time in nurturing relationships. They're the true wealth of life. Secret number 4. Surrounding themselves with success-minded people. Choose your tribe. Seek out mentors, coaches, and successful peers who inspire and motivate them to become better. They understand the power of associations and the importance of learning from others who have achieved what they desire. Seek out individuals who uplift, inspire, and challenge you. They don't fall into victim mentalities from negative peers. Learn from peers. Success-minded friends share insights, strategies, and lessons. They're the true wealth of life. Celebrate wins together. When you succeed, they cheer. When they win, you celebrate. It's a beautiful cycle. Success-minded people inspire and elevate each other. Choose wisely. Secret number 5. Mindset of abundance. The rich operate from an abundance mindset versus a scarcity mentality. They believe opportunities, resources, and possibilities are unlimited. There is always more than enough to go around. Gratitude. Imagine waking up each day with a heart full of gratitude. They see life's blessings as abundant gifts. Abundance-minded individuals see their bucket overflowing with possibilities. They believe there's enough for everyone, a universe of opportunities. Share freely. Abundance isn't just about having more, it's about sharing more. Imagine tossing a pebble into a calm lake. The ripples spread. Abundance-minded people share their time, knowledge, and resources. Collaborate. See others as allies, not competitors. The rich see setbacks as chances to adapt and find new solutions, not reasons to despair. There are always more ways forward. Importantly, an abundance mentality also enables managing wealth wisely. The more you contribute, the more flows back to you and through you. So, if you want to unlock the secrets of wealth and success, start by adopting the millionaire mindset. Believe in yourself, set clear goals, work hard, surround yourself with the right people, and embrace abundance. Implementing even just one of these wealth-building mindsets can massively impact your wealth-building and life trajectory. Small steps create big results down the road. I hope you feel inspired thinking about how tweaking your mindset and daily habits using these principles can lead to the extraordinary. Before you go, please take a quick moment to like and subscribe if this video brought value your way. We're in this together. Feel free to share any final comments or questions below. Keep aiming high, but also be sure to celebrate how far you've already come. More success ahead. Now go meet it. We all have amazing potential. Apply these wealth mindsets to unlock it. Consistent focus pays off. Wishing you abundance on your journey.